Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix camera streaks in high contrast photos on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus smartphone. First, let's reset camera settings, which we can do by opening the camera application, then tapping the four circle icons right here. Then you're gonna have to tap the gear icon. Then navigate to the bottom of this list and select Reset Settings, then Confirm. And if the issue persists, then update the software on your device. To do so, open Settings, navigate to Software Update, make sure that your device is connected to the internet, select Download and Install, and check if you have any software updates to install on your smartphone. Recently there was a fix released for S25 series that fixes this issue on all smartphones. So if you have an update to install, then of course download and install it right now. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.